It's time to leave Key West and we are headed north. On the way out, we saw the Wounded Warrior Project Soldier Ride, and we were able to cheer them on while we were driving by. And we're here. We're at Markham Park, which is in Davie, Florida. It's about maybe 30 minutes west of Fort Lauderdale. I love this park. It has nice trails that you can take a walk on, and it's right by the Everglades. A few cool facts about the Everglades National Park. First, it's 1.5 million acres. It's absolutely enormous. And it's also the only place on Earth where alligators and crocodiles coexist in the wild. And if you go to the Everglades National Park, and you can go kayaking actually, and see crocodiles just lying there on the sides of the lake that you're on. And you can see alligators as well, which is really cool. So you can see both if you go visit. And that is actually the Everglades. So it borders the Everglades, and that entire space is just part of the Everglades. So we took Larry to the beach. I'm not sure he really liked it. He's not a fan of water, and I don't think he liked the waves and all the sounds. But hey, we took him there, and it was fun for us. He did think it's the world's largest litter box. I'm going to highlight two really cool spots to eat. The first one is Eclair Affair. They have every eclair you could think of, but the cool part of it is besides sweet eclairs, they also have savory eclairs, and they're actually really, really good. So I got lox and egg on an eclair dough. It was very interesting. Definitely recommend trying. And the second spot is Zab Thai and Sushi. It is probably the best sushi in South Florida, in my opinion. Until next time.